Alright, so I gotta replace the battery in this phone. It's showing its max capacity is at 50%. That's crazy. Alright, so I've already taken out the screws. There's one sitting there. I've already replaced the screen on this thing almost a year ago. So I'm not going to show you how to take the screen off. I mean how to open it, but basically you got to take your two screws out. You know, in the travels of the year, I lost one of the screws. Doesn't matter. Who cares? I could show you. I think the screen opens this way. Am I all zoomed in? I'm not zoomed in. All right. So you got to be careful when they're prying the screen up. I think it. Oh, God damn it! Let's see. Oh no, is it? Oh, that's right. It goes this way, doesn't it? Oh, stupid. It opens this way. Damn it. Alright, let's see how the cables are in here. All my stupid crap would stop grabbing. Stop grabbing. Alright, so there's a cable on that side. Jesus, man. Stop grabbing. Alright, so it is opened in this direction. And I just see I have some garbage in there. Alright. So when you're prying, you got to be careful of those. Of this cable over here. See it there? If you're prying in there, you don't want to cut that cable. It's part of your screen system, right? Alright, so the battery, we need to get off this plate, and then there should be pool strips. I don't see them. Oh man, look at all that dirt I've gotten in here. Where are the pull strips? Are they here? Are these them? Yeah, I think these are them. These are the things that are holding the battery down. In theory, you should be able to pull these and pull out everything that's under this battery. Oh, these don't feel all that long. This is how you get. Oh, there's one no good because the glue is going in. I don't know why they do so many of these. You're basically pulling the sticker out from under the battery. And that one failed. Awesome. This is going to be an awesome removal. Yeah. That's what should have happened on those other ones and did not. So this battery is still pretty good in there. That's awesome. Alright, so you need something to hold that up. I need to get some canned air to blow all this crap out of here for me using it for so long. And I can't use that box because I need to get the tools and the new battery out of there. Okay, so this kit comes with everything. It even comes with the outside glue stuff, which I don't think I'm gonna put on there. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. It comes with a 4,000 amp, a 4 amp battery. I don't know what's in here. What is it? 2 point. You gotta divide 3.82 divided by 11.1. That's not gonna come out to anything good. Let's see. 11.1 divided by 3.82. Did I do that right? Oh, it's a 2.9 amp battery in there. Okay. So we need to get those screws the same head. Are they playing screwy business where they do the flapper ones? All right, so this kit comes with this stuff. It comes with, instead they give you bits. Bits. Don't know why they give you this. There's no reason to pull out the sim. Alright, so one of these would be the proper Torx, and one might be the flapper. Let's assume it's going to be Phillips. The damn battery up. Do not try one of these batteries with a metal tool. If you short that battery, it will go and just start going up in smoke. And if that happens, don't panic and run away and hide under the couch. That's not tight at all. I wonder if these are magnetic. Mark where you're pulling these out. I usually do, so that'll do that one in that corner. That's not part of that. Put that one there. Of course, I'm going to disturb all those screws by the time I'm done here. At least I'm assuming that the cable is under this. This one. But that's a longer screw. See, that one's longer. Was this not focused the whole damn time? That is very annoying. Alright, so that's up. And here's the battery connector here. You put the original battery on and then see that is the connector. And don't do crazy prying on these things either. Okay, so now I'm screwed because those stupid rubber things only came up on one half of the battery. So now this battery is stuck in here. Very gentle. This original Apple battery. Bend it. Damn it. Oh, I hate those stupid rubber things. wish this thing wasn't so fat. You don't want to bend this battery in half. It's going to short. Note, when I'm prying down into the glue. Can I drop this screen in half? Oh, this is so annoying. I hate these stupid ass batteries. Why do they do this? What a complainer this dude is. If this thing was a little flatter, like a spatula, I would be able to get under there. They didn't give me that kind of tool. Heat would help. Oh, so annoying. See, there's those other white things. If I could grab those and pull them. I don't think I can, though. Shit. Stupid, 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 stupid. Teasing me. Teasing me. Not good. Not good. I ripped open the battery. I can smell the lithium. Oh, there's so no need for these things to go the whole length of the battery. And it's 3 of them, just not needed. See, I gotta hold the battery now. even the third one that pulled all the way out is still got stuff still in there. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. There's no... there is no reason to have 3 of these. No reason. So annoying. Hopefully I didn't screw up the screen cable. The kit only gives you 2. I'm not even putting the 2 in. I might just put with a 1. Alright, so I gotta blow this out. Damn it. Also, when you're prying up that battery, you got to be careful of this wire here. Why is his video so long compared to everybody else's? Well, because they don't show you this pain in the ass stuff. They pull those rubber things and the battery just comes right the fuck out. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Right, so I'm not putting that sticker down. All right. Screw up the cable getting that damn battery out. You don't want to bend this crap, and it looks kind of flimsy. I got freaking dirt in here. So I'm taking this all and leaving the damn phone disconnected for so damn long. And with the screen hanging out. Well, what happened is on this phone, the previous person smashed it right at the button, and the button stopped working, so you can't do your finger ID. So I just threw it in the pile, waiting, and finally they came out with those updated buttons that aren't so annoying that you can throw on these phones. You'll lose Touch ID, but everything else you still have. So then this needed a screen, so I got her a screen. I had it sitting there. Then I knew the battery was shot, so I was just using it with the battery shot. Not using it as a phone, just as a toy, as I still am doing. Alright, here's your battery. Yep, I don't even know if I'm going to put one. Let's make sure this damn thing still works. Alright, it's working. screws all over the place. I might cut it, because I think I've done that before. I might cut it and make it only half the length, because it's just stupid. It's just stupid. You don't need that crap. See, Touch ID, annoying. Okay. Alright, let's turn this off. Okay. So, let's see. How can I do this without losing the place of those screws? Remember, the longer screw was that far up one. Can I even get this out without disturbing those screws? Will it be a full-on dick? Alright, so here's the stupid glue sticker things I want you to use. And you gotta get them so they hang out up here. How does it let you do these? I don't remember. Look at it's already fucking up. It's already all fucked up. That's awesome. Alright, so that. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Obviously I did that wrong. So I think it's something like this. Put it something like that. Remove it, and then now drop my battery down. And that is good enough. That's going to hold your battery. You don't need this. You don't need 3 the whole length of the goddamn battery. See the nightmare trying to get that out? It's ridiculous. It's friggin' massive overkill. Okay. The longer screw was the back one. Don't screw that up. If you know that you're stupid, don't even put the longer screw back in. You don't need all these screws in. You only put these screws in until they stop turning. You don't over tighten them. Again, no reason. If you put the long one in one of these holes and you're like stupid in the head, and it tightens, and then you keep tightening it because it's sticking out the top, you just destroyed your iPhone. Awesome. That's what happens when you're stupid. So you should just accept that. Yes, I'm stupid. You screw until it stops screwing, not till the head is all the way down. If it stops screwing and the head's all the way down, that's the wrong hole. Yeah. And then when you put this in, you need to get, when you're putting this screen in, you need to get these lips in because it goes in. Oh, you need to get this stupid shit off if you're like me and leave this freaking tape crap on here because you don't feel like pushing the screen back down in because you're waiting for a battery, blah, blah. So you get that at an angle, get that in. You go on an angle like that, and then you can get your screen down. And I probably should have turned it on to make sure it was working. And no, I did not seal my shit. Let's turn it on. And we got our Apple logo. We can get this crap off and get my screw out of there. I lost the screw. I don't know where it is. I lost it like a year ago. Come on, Scrooge. Come out. Where did the screw go? Oh. You lost screw. Make sure you're all in. The screen should be flat. Don't press on your screen and crack it. Again, that's a sign that you're stupid. I gotta clean all this glass off. This garbage I put on there. Alright. Now the correct bit. Oh, was this the tri-wing? Oh, maybe the one I was using was the tri-wing. Let's see, these magnetic. Nope. Okay. And then when you're done with this, that's my functioning button. Cool. And when you get done with this, you get yourself, you put a glass screen on it, you put it in a case so you don't break the damn phone again. And get rid of all the garbage. No. Oh.